The Define Phase, Basic Certification. Let's take a look at the agenda for today's session, which focuses on the define phase of the DMIC methodology. This is the critical first step in any Six Sigma project. Purpose of the define phase. We'll begin by understanding why the define phase is essential. It sets the tone and direction for the entire project, helping us align on what the problem is and why it matters. Understanding problems and business needs. Next, we'll dive into identifying real business problems, not just symptoms. We'll learn how to frame problems in the context of customer needs and strategic goals. Project Charter. Light version. We'll go over a simplified version of a project charter. This document acts as a roadmap, outlining the problem statement, goals, scope, timeline, and team roles. High-level process maps, SIPOC. Here, we'll introduce SIPOC diagrams. These high-level maps help clarify the process flow from suppliers to customers, providing early clarity and context. Basic stakeholder identification. Finally, we'll touch on identifying key stakeholders. Knowing who is impacted and who has influence helps ensure the success of your project through better communication and engagement. Define is where we ask, what's the problem we're trying to solve? It helps us focus our energy. If we skip this phase or do it poorly, the whole project can go off track. A project should solve a meaningful problem. It should matter to the business. That's why we ask, what's the pain point and how big is it? A charter is like a mini blueprint of the project. It ensures everyone is on the same page. As a yellow belt, you should know what the charter includes and how it guides the team. Before fixing a process, we need to understand how it works. SIPOC gives us that bird's-eye view. It's the map before the journey. A good project keeps all stakeholders informed and involved. If we forget someone important, we risk delays or resistance later.